Hello, I want to talk to you about this Havahart small animal trap. It's a live trap. It won't kill the animal. First step is to get the trap. Put some food in it, fresh food. Put it where you think your animal pest is going to frequent. And then to set it, you just fold this down, lift this up, and then there's a pressure plate over there which pushes this mechanism down. So this hooks onto this little spring-loaded door, and as long as nobody pushes that pressure plate down over there, this will stay open. I've caught a few animals, pesky cats, maybe feral cats, that are bothering my domesticated cats. Okay, so this is meant for small animals. So of course, don't try to catch elephants or tigers or lions or horses like that, because those are too big. Anyways, this is very effective at catching these feral cats that come along. Once your animal enters in through there, trying to get to the food, he'll step on this pressure plate right here that I was talking about. And once he steps on it, I didn't have to put very much pressure. Once he steps on it, door shuts, he won't be able to get out. This is blocking it, so there's no way. I had a cat who actually injured himself trying to get out of this. But anyways, it's the most humane way to catch a small animal without killing them. This is a perfect trap for a no-kill solution, and I highly recommend it.